Enjoying my cruise. I just had pizza. I'm a VIPL. It's so pretty and it's warm. This is our first warm day. It was kind of cold on Sunday and Monday. Tomorrow we're at Montego Bay, and I'm going to show you what the ocean looks like. We're on Carnival Liberty. Liberty. I hope we always have liberty. And I will show you if I can get up. Get these big fat old lady things up. Oh. I have to hold my hand. I ain't good looking. Heaven knows that you're right without my easy clothes. Very windy. I'm going to lose my phone. Look up the shoe. Look up the shoe. Let me put this in my finger before I lose it. Whoa. Whoa, I look like a man. No hair. Oh. That's crazy. Somewhere between here and we could look at something. Here's one of the pools. It's a smaller pool. It was too windy at the side. You couldn't hear me. Put my glasses on. There. Now that's better. That's the view we have from our room, but we're on the other side. This is starboard, we're on port. Now it's not quite as windy, but we're having a good time. I'm here with my daughter and her best friend, and just enjoying warmth, I promise you. I know they're going to have snow in Alabama tonight. My husband's got to run the water, and my cousin Debbie is in the snow. She's in Michigan, so it's just good to be warm. Anyway, one view of the beautiful ocean. I love the ocean. I love it, love it, love it. Everything alive began in the ocean. I'm trying to see what time it is. I don't know. I think it's close to 4 o'clock. I'm not going down the stairs, but maybe you can see how things go. Go downstairs to the next deck. There's our whale tail. So I'm going now. Bye guys, love you. Crazy Karen signing off.